the average person is a very, very poor delegator. They're very bad at telling other people what to do. And I've spent a lot of time thinking about why. Why is everybody such a bad delegator? And it's incredibly unnatural. It's not natural to tell somebody else what to do. And B, we've never had any practice at it in our entire lives. In school, there's never been a teacher ever in the history of the world say, hey, I want you to write this paper, but in reality, I just kind of want you to get somebody else to write this paper, and I want you to turn it in for you. There's never been a coach, a sports coach that says, hey, we have this circuit of exercises that we're doing today after practice. I want you to sit over in the corner and get somebody else to do your exercises for you. In college, the same thing. So we get out of college or we get out of high school and we have never once delegated somebody else to do one of our jobs. And yet that's what you have to do as a business owner. And then you go into the workforce, and in any corporation in America, no boss is going to say, hey, can you get somebody else to do this thing I need done at this company? It doesn't happen. So what you have is a bunch of people who are overworked, and delegation is a massive problem in corporate America too. Everybody who works 70, 80 hours a week, they do it because they're a poor delegator. Like, they could absolutely go to their boss and tell them, hey, I need somebody else, except for doctors and lawyers and some of these, very high skilled things. It can be delegated. So when you're a business owner trying to grow a business and you have a problem, it's 99% that you won't let control go and actually enable your employees and empower your employees to get somebody else to do the work. Like, it can be done by somebody else 80% as well as you can do it. And part of being a business owner is kind of accepting that 80%, but understanding that when you get somebody else to do 80%, you get 20 hours that week back to go do other things.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.